Sa iba pang ulat, nanawagan ngayon ang Malacanang sa lahat na makiisa sa pagdiriwang ng Earth Hour 2015 sa darating po yan na Sabado, Marso 28. Ayon kay PCOO Secretary Sonny Coloma, mahalaga ang araw na ito sa pagsusulong ng kampanya laban sa climate change at matamo ang isang malinis at maunlad na kapaligiran.
This year's global tagline for Earth Hour is Use Your Power to Change Climate Change. The Philippines has been championing the switch off for Earth Hour since 2008 and has topped participation records from 2009 to 2013, thus earning the title of Earth Hour Hero Country. We encourage our people to participate in Earth Hour 2015 by voluntarily switching off all lights for 1 hour from 8:30 to 9:30 in the evening on Saturday, March 28. In so doing, Filipinos will be showing their solidarity with the rest of the world in efforts to combat climate change, thereby promoting a cleaner, healthier, and greener world. This year, Earth Hour Philippines will be donating portable solar lamps to off-grid communities to help them to safely and economically light up their homes. We echo the statement of Earth Hour Philippines as follows: when we unite towards a common goal, we can change climate change. Let us all participate in Earth Hour 2015 from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. on Saturday, March 28.